Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. We're going on the road today. We have so much things to do today. Of course, come along with us, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Where are we going now?
We're heading to the bank first.
Yeah.
And then we're off to the bank. We're stopping at the thrift store just to see what we can get in here.
Okay.
And then headed off to Giant Tiger.
Okay.
Then HomeSense.
Okay. And the dollar store. Guys, lots of places today.
As well,
So
yeah.
dollar store, HomeSense. We're going to two banks. We're going to the thrift store. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, please take a quick second. Hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the vlog, and of course leave your thoughts in the comment section. Come on, man, let's go to the bank, get money. Welcome to Grande Prairie, Alberta. Something that I've noticed over the years being here is once there's a long weekend, May long in this case, the city is empty. Everyone is out camping, and who's not camping is probably at Home Depot or at a garden center somewhere. And that's where we're gonna be heading right now, actually. But you know what? Let's show you guys what Grande Prairie is looking like on this beautiful day.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you will make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got.
sell for cushions and stuff. Rug. Oh, I'm gonna grab a card just in case. It would probably be over furniture. Yeah. But I say, no rug. Over next side. We are in pursuit of some outdoor furniture for the back deck. We have the chairs and stuff already, but we need some cushion and rugs and plants and stuff like that. So we thought we could have gotten some in Valley Village, but nothing is there to our liking. So we're gonna check out Giant Tiger now. Giant Tiger is a store that you can get pretty much, it's an haberdashery. Every knicks-knacks for your house, you can get it in Giant Tiger. So that's gonna be our next. So I got a request, Malika, in one of the last video that we posted. Somebody said they need a Malika segment. They need a Malika segment in all the videos, right? So I needed to look in the camera and say hi. Say hi, guys. Yeah? Blow everybody a kiss. Good job. Good job, baby. Okay. We're at Giant Tiger. Oh, she was raking this morning. She said, I need 3 monies.
Tell Daddy.
That's what she said.
Together. They need 3 monies.
Oh, these are some rugs right here.
Yeah,
But bigger one?
that's one big one, but I thought that.
What about these?
It's a 2.
2. How much for it?
$10.
$10?
$10 one.
Yeah, I need 2 more.
1.
3. I need 1 more. Woo. And then this could be the other little one. This $7.
Prefer the black one.
Prefer black one? No, not black. Where's Malika?
Take up one more. I could find 1 more. 1 more.
Malika Jade, do not take up anything off the ground.
3. It's not gonna be big enough.
Hmm?
I think.
It's not gonna be big enough?
No, because we don't have other stuff going in the car.
Oh, you mean the cart's not gonna be big enough? So they have more of the red ones.
But you wouldn't know much.
Malia, don't go in the road. We're looking for no rug. Rug straight ahead. So about $20 one or just a smaller one. So that dirty. I don't want black.
The shopping.
Yeah.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for, Mama?
These ones are $29.
Big one?
Yeah. And these are $16. I'm not sure which one though. These are $16. And they look bigger than this one that I have in my hand. I don't know, cause some say 20, some say 16. Just like right here, some says 29, some says 49. Are we just gonna work with this one? So this one gets the nod, 4x5. You want to buy seats there or you need another thing? You can grow a couple things in it and then just have to. Or we could have just grow some tomatoes and some peppers.
You have
in there.
Work on the seed or you go for the plant? Because you have plant out there. So
plant out there?
yeah, it's a tomato.
How much feet?
I'm not sure, like.
It's better from the plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Outdoor? Or see the big umbrella there? Outdoor what, rugs? Oh yeah. 35. These cushions up as a less. These are the ones that's what I'm looking at. These are the ones that we need. Yeah. This already is over $100, but close my eyes and knock it off. Umbrella?
Yeah.
How much for it? No, that's for our next rodeo. We sit in the sun. We'll sit in the sun for now. For this big one? This, whoa. $37. If you never look like this, this couldn't work if you never look like you're there. Yeah, plants, yeah.
Daddy, this is so long.
That's so long?
Yeah, for my hand to stick.
For your ants to stick?
Yeah, see? My hand to stick.
That's what? Is it heavy? Or the front? Probably that cheap, I don't know. $4. Yeah, I need a portion. Yeah, let's check Home Depot. We have a lot of stops doing today, so we're now at Dollarama. Get some more stuff. We end up spending $115 on those stuff just now, by the way, guys. Up. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you, Malika.
Thank you, Malika. You want chips?
Yeah.
You can get chips.
Original scrub. So the rags right here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna need is a car freshener. Pick up 2 of them. And then this is what? Tire shine. Malia? The dollar store have it. I feel like we overspent just now. Yeah. Them have an Amaral? Disinfectant wipes. Pick up one of this. Them have some stuff, but them not have everything I need. Wash mitts. Oh, yeah. Nice. $4.75. Need the Amaral. Car wants a good wash down. What are these outdoors? These tools are in there already. These small. Where would you put that? So for the kitchen.
That's on it. Inside out.
That bit. But just my opinion. Yeah, they have some decor in this section. It not to be nothing too fancy, you know. Want something to blend in with the color. Similar to the brown. $4 for one. Pick up 2 of them. The raised bed. Yeah. I'm a ganja farmer. Know me a ganja planter. Know the song? Them call me the ganja farmer. You don't know that song? Okay guys, so this is where we're at so far. We have a few more stops to make. We're gonna be going to HomeSense. And we are gonna be going to Home Depot. And I'm not sure where else Nas wants to go.
The best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I've seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going.
I'm exhausted. Now, we still have one more store to go. We're gonna go to HomeSense. I forgot to take you guys inside the store that we just went to. Went inside Goodwill. We got some pretty good deals in Goodwill. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Couple years.
3
Man.
years.
Definitely need to come up more often because it seems like they have some deals.
It depends on the season.
Yeah. We're almost done though, guys. It's raining outside right now. A phenomenon that we don't see all the time
I
here.
want the rain to hurry. I'm going to see.
Oh, you want to fix it up?
Put it together.
Put it
Yeah.
together, yeah.
With the things we got, yeah. So,
Yeah. So let's go to HomeSense. Whew, it's raining. You want a cart? Should I get a cart? HomeSense, come Malika. Come mama. So you have all your heart's desire right here. Decor. Yeah, if we could get a little stool to put it on, but yeah, perfecto. How much? 100 and how much?
$29.
$29.
Yeah,
You're gonna get it?
I'll get this.
Yeah? Okay.
I mean, people are done already.
You wanna go to the cart, Molly? If we had gotten the yellow cushions, then they would match it well. Yeah. Yeah. $49. Pricey. The vase here at $34. Come. This is? Oh yeah, but you need something red for the stairs. Yeah, I think Home Sweet Home, or we'll put one of this red.
Home. I already ordered it.
Already ordered?
So it's home, and then out of this. So later I'm gonna get the size of the frame.
Gotcha. Malia, please do not touch anything. How much should I plant right there? Yeah. Oh. Turn it off, Malika. I blew up. Yeah. No, globes are decor. Turn it off, Malika. Come on. Can I put this on a budget?
It's scrub it off. How much for it?
Well, that is for $12.
Wash it off or scrub it off?
But probably that's too expensive to you. It's how much? So $12, $13. I was thinking more like these. I need these. So this is $4. I can't put this on your budget, Bills. I can't put that on your budget. Malia, stop. $7. This is going on a budget as well. And I need one more. What's that? That's and that's. Oh yeah.
So that's the set.
This is a set, and it has my brush. So let's just take the sets. Let's just take the sets. Go to grizzle. I bore up the all them and just strap them on. Why for the cactus, but you know what I mean. They even make it juki. One thing, you know, HomeSense to make you want done your money, you know. The blue section. It's sectionated based on color.
The kitchen unit.
Yeah, how much?
Seen it.
Butterflies?
Butterflies, baby. We have caterpillars at home. We're gonna get butterflies.
This is a nice new kitchen. 39? Oh, these are the candles. So this I want some. I shop them too. I said I'm a shop them. Yeah. Pick it up, please. Thank you. Put it down. Put it back where you got it. Good job. Yeah, that's nice. Like, man. How much?
16. clearance slipper.
So how much for it normally? That smells nice. So where did I put it? In the living room? Yeah.
So,
Them have no cheaper, no she small one. No, you can take that, but I think for the bathroom, I think. You need 2 for 2 for both bathroom. Yeah, China version.
build your own empire. You know what I sent you? I don't know if you know it, but
That smell like bath soap.
No,
That's what it
it's
smell
not
like to
bath
me.
it reminds me of your scent. It's not bad, so.
It smells like palmolive bath soap to me. $13. Even though that on clearance is so expensive still, $100. You know, I said there was a thing that was advertised, not advertised. There was a my marketplace where they always show, but then said clearance, and it's not really clearance; it's the actual price of the item. Beach chair. Ah. How much?
No.
Price man. Huh? Malia? You could keep it for next time. You know, after what is it? Clearance. Amalia, start putting your fingers in your mouth. Huh?
Hi, good afternoon, Dr. Mother.
Could I get a medium French vanilla, please?
A medium.
Medium French vanilla, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
For sure. Please check like this.
Yes, guys, so we are finally home back. Sorry. So, guys, we are finally home after a long day on the road. So, we're gonna try and see if we can arrange the deck the way we want it now. Nats is doing what Nats does.
What? What me do? What do I do?
Sweeping. I think it was clean already, but...
You know, see the white side, some of them white, like when the rain fall or whatever.
Honest answer?
No, you don't.
No, I don't. Mala is eating our popsicle. Yeah?
Like the dirty grass will cut, like it blow. The rain.
Yeah, so this is what we're going to be working on right now, guys. I'll show you guys what it looks like after we're done. have it, guys. That is our deck completed on a budget. So I did promise you guys that I was gonna give you guys an update as to the cost of what it cost us to put up these railings and get the floor stained and all these fun stuff. It cost us $1,500 labor plus material, so everything came to 1,500 Canadian dollars, which I think is reasonable. I think it's reasonable because we got the same quotes from 2 different persons. So it wasn't just the deck either, it was the gate, it was the fence, and all of the fun stuff. And I think the person who did it did a good job. Nats, are you happy? Yeah? Like your new deck?
Yes, I love it.
Love it? Cozy? Outside settings. That is it, guys. That is it. Yeah, about 2.5 months. Yeah. So if you guys haven't already liked the video, please, this is the time when you do that right now. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you haven't already subscribed. And comment. Let us know if you like these kind of vlogs, and we will definitely be doing more. Subject to your comments, of course. So until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Malia, come and say bye. Come and say bye.
Bye.